Okay, so here children, so we want to discuss the fluid pressure. In the fluid pressure, we'll discuss some numericals children. Fluid pressure. Okay, so what are the formulas I have given for the fluid pressure? What are the formulas which I give? First formula, children, all of you see carefully. So once I will revise all the formulas, then we will do the numericals, children. Once you see children all the formulas, first formula, children, if you remember, pressure is equal to force by area. All of you know this is very easy, Newton per meter square. Other formula which I told you is pressure is equal to
HD.
HDG and its derivation also equal to. Other formula is pressure is equal to P plus HDG. What is P plus HDG? Children, from this only you will get P is equal to HDG, you know that. And other formula is P is equal to P plus HDG, where P naught denotes atmospheric pressure. Suppose there is a vessel, children. Suppose there is a vessel. Okay, there is one body here. I will ask you to what is the pressure if you want to find out only because of the liquid. Only because of the liquid we will use this formula. What is the total pressure with liquid and atmospheric pressure if I ask? Because atmospheric pressure will be acting like this, children. Atmospheric pressure will be acting like this, and the pressure due to water will be acting from here, children. So you should do atmospheric pressure plus HDG. Atmospheric pressure plus HDG. This is also one formula. And I want to just to discuss even upthrust. What is upthrust, you know, children? Upthrust, suppose in any vessel, in the water is there, children, there is a water. If you dip any body with some force, water also exerts some opposite force on us.
Yes, sir.
We exert some force on the water also exerts some force on us. The upward force exerted by the water on the body is called upthrust. The upward force. Okay, children, if you are dipping anything in the water, you will feel some pressure, force, opposite force. The upward force exerted by water on the body, the upward force exerted by water on body is called upthrust. The upward force exerted by the body on the body is called upthrust. Okay, children, the upward force is called as upthrust. Okay, now what is the upthrust formula? Upthrust is also a force, children. Upthrust is also a force. Normally, upthrust is also a force. Upthrust, this is
Sir,
direct force. This is upward force. What on?
sir, upward force formula I know, sir. It is BDG.
Yeah, very good. Upthrust is also called as buoyant force, children. Upthrust is also called buoyant force. Normally, we know what we know, children. So normally, upthrust is equal, force is equal to mass into acceleration from Newton's second law. Okay, density is equal to mass by volume. So mass is equal to density into volume. Density into volume, and A can be written as G. So upthrust formula or buoyant force formula is equal to BdG. This is another formula. Upthrust formula. Upthrust is a force, children, not pressure. Upthrust is not pressure. Okay, upthrust is a force. What is it? What force? When you dip anything in the body, the water also exerts some force on us. The upward force exerted by the water of the body. The upward force exerted by the water of the body. The upward force exerted by the water of the body is called. This is just a force that is called upthrust, children, or buoyant force. Or buoyant force. That formula is VdG. Okay, and pressure is HdG. Pressure is HdG, where H is the height, D is the density, and G is the water. And the density of the water is constant, children. 1000 kg per
kg
meter.
per meter cube.
1000 kg per meter cube. These are some of the formulas which you have to remember if you want to do numericals. Okay. So, children, first numerical. First numerical. What is the first numerical, children? Question. The first, calculate the pressure created by a 30-meter depth. Okay. Depth is. Okay. HDG. In HDG, D is the depth, children. Okay. Uh, no, D is density. I'm sorry, children. H is the depth, children. H. So the depth is 30 meters. Given density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube, and gravity is 9.8, and gravity is 9.8. What is the pressure? Calculate the pressure created by, suppose any body is there, children, in the water. Suppose somewhere in the water. At 30 meters depth it is there. Because of 30 meters depth, how much pressure water will exert? Where formula?
Sir, pressure is equal to HDG.
P is equal to HdG.
is equal to 30 into 1000 into 9.8.
30 into 9.8.
101 decimals cut, sir.
Okay, 1 point and 10 decimal. 3 8 are 24. 3 9 are 27. 294,000
94,000
pascals.
pascals.
Means 294 kilopascals.
Kilopascals.
That's it, children. Okay, because of 30-meter depth in the water, this much pressure will be created. Because of 30-meter depth in the water, this much pressure will be created. Because of the 30-meter depth, if you dip a 30-meter deep, this much pressure will be there. Okay, one more question, children. The density of water is saying seawater 1025 kg per meter cube. Okay, and the maximum depth of the Atlantic Ocean is 8500 meters it seems. Okay, so 8.5 kilometers. Calculate the pressure in Atlantic Ocean. If you go to the bottom of Atlantic Ocean, if you go bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, how much pressure will be there on your body? Okay, if you go to the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, how much pressure will be there on your body? Okay, Pravalika, can you tell me how to do this one? Formula P is equal to
P is HDG,
HDG. Height is 8500.
8500
Density of
into
salt water is
1025,
9.8.
9.8.
Can anyone help me, children? What is the value? Can anyone help me? This value, children? 85 into 1025 into 9.8 means by 10 if you write this gone. 850
8
into
crores 54 lakhs.
huh?
Sir, 8,500 meters, no, sir.
Okay, 8 crores 55 lakhs, 54 lakhs are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, 8 crores 54 lakhs children. So pressure is equal to 85400 kilopascals. If you go to the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, this much pressure will be acting on your body, children. Normal human being will turn into pieces, children. This much pressure. Okay, so it's very high pressure, children. Okay, next one. The density of seawater is 1025 kg per meter cube. Okay, children. And the maximum depth of the Atlantic Ocean, I told now, same question. No, third also.
Sir, you're repeating.
Yeah,
So,
same question.
at depth of 12.5 meters, sir.
Yeah, fourth
Another
question.
question.
At a depth of 12.5 meters, of a chemical solvent, the pressure is 306 kilopascals. 306 kilo means 1, 2, 3. Kilo means 1, 2, 3. Question is calculate the density of that chemical. Okay, Rishikesh, can you tell me how to do this one? Pressure is equal to
Yes, sir.
HDG.
Pressure is equals to HDG.
Uh,
306. Sorry, 30 lakh is equals to 12.5 into density into 9
Acceleration, how much will take 9.8 or 10?
9, sir.
Will take 9.8 or 10?
9.8, sir.
Will take 10, no problem, no problem. 10 will
Okay,
take.
sir.
This point, if you remove,
Point and 10 10
this
10
gone.
cancel.
So depth is equal
Sir,
to
the depth is equals to uh, 3 crores 6 lakhs by 125.
25 5s are 25 4s are 5 2s are 2 4s are 8 8 6s are 48 8 3s are 24 2448 meters is the depth. Actually, they gave 2949 children, but what is that means? Not depth children, this is kg per minute. But that they have taken 9.8 children, but I took 10 children. They took 9.8, I took 10. Anything is okay, children, no problem. It's not our wish, but easy it will become. That's all. Okay, so next question, children. Next question. Raghuram,
Yes, sir.
if a weight of fluid is 200 Newton, weight of force is same, weight of the liquid is 200 Newton, okay? Acts on a surface of 5 meters square. Acts on a surface of 5 meters square. Calculate the pressure.
So pressure is equals to weight by area.
Force by area,
By
okay?
area. 200 by 5 meters square. Is
Okay.
equals to 40 Pascal.
Pascals, 40 pascals. Next, Sujit. Sujit, what force must be applied? What force must be applied on a surface area of 0.0025 meters square to create a pressure of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pascals? Sujit, Sujit, pressure is called force by area. Okay, so Meghana, force is equal to
Yes, a force is equal to P into
A. So
area
pressure is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4,
4
5,
5 into
and 25 by
0.25 by
1, 2, 3, 4.
10,000.
Okay, how much is that? This is gone.
0 4 4 zeros gone. 20
50.
into 25.
500 Newton. 500 Newton. Okay, next. Vedant,
Sir,
your chance. A hydraulic lift system, what must be surface area of the piston? What must be the surface area of the piston?
Sir,
Yeah.
you can hear me, sir.
No, 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 I'm not able to hear you. It's very low voice. Increase the volume. What must be the surface area of piston if a pressure
sir,
of 300 kilopascals is used to decide upward force of 2000 Newton? Yeah. Pressure is equal to
pressure is equal to HD, force by area.
area is equal
Area
to,
is equal to force by pressure.
so area is equal to force is how
Area is
much?
equal to 2000 newtons,
2000 Newton. Pressure is how much?
300 kilopascals.
1, 2, 3 pascals. Okay, so how much? 3 zeros.
3 zeros cancelled. 1
Okay,
by 150.
1 by 150. That is how much? So
Uh,
1 by 150 is how much approximately? Mm. So let's do 150 divided 1. Okay, so 0 0.0, 0.0.
0.006, sir.
0.0006.
6, 0.006.
6.
6.
0.006. Okay, so 0.006, approximately 0.006 meter square, children. If you want to convert into centimeter square into 100 into 100, you should get, children. No problem. Next one. Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
The average standard rectangular building brick has a mass of 3.10 kg. Okay, and the measurements you see, measurements like this, it is given measurements. Brick, this is a brick. Okay, so how much is the measurements? Means 225 mm, 225 mm into 112 mm into 75 mm. This is length, this is breadth, this is height. Question is, calculate the pressure when standing on the surface on smallest area. Which is the smallest area of Pravalika? Pardon?
Sir, 75 mm.
75 into this into this, this into this, this into this. Length into
Sir,
breadth is
75 mm into Breadth 112. into height.
so 112 into
Breadth into
75.
height.
Yeah, breadth into height. Nandika, I'll ask you next time. So okay. So when it is starting standing on the minimum surface means this into this is minimum surface means when it is standing like this, children. Okay. So pressure is equal to force by area. What is the force formula? 3.10
3.10 into
10 because mg mass mg f is equal to mg. Okay, and the area is how much? Area is how much?
112 into 75
But mm to meters. How to convert mm to meters?
by
To meters is by thousand by thousand.
5000.
mm to meters is by thousand by thousand. So what you get is 3.1 into 10 is 31. 1000 for this, 1000 for 75 will come up. And what is left over? 112 into 75. Okay, so 25 threes are 25 fours are. Can anyone help me, children? Measure to 256 are 2 fives are. 228s are 2 fives are. 2 14s are 2 fives are. 2 sevens are 2 fives are. Anyone, children? What is the answer? Answer. So it's saying
Sir,
3620 Pascal.
3690.78.
Okay, approximately 3620 Pascals. Nandika, next question. Nandika, question is next question. Calculate the pressure when standing on the greatest area. Which will be the greatest area, Nandika?
Sir, 225 into 2
1
mm.
So tell me pressure is equal to force by area. Tell them 3.1 into 10.
pressure to force by area. 3.1 into 10 is by 225 into 112.
mm to meters by 1000.
3.1.
Mm to meters by 1000. So you have to solve, Nana. If you solve this, how much you will get, children? Whole thing, if you solve 1210 Pascal. So when area is more, pressure is less. When area is more, pressure is less. And when area is less, pressure was 3620.
Sir, I think the first one which I said the answer is wrong, sir. I took 3.2. I did not take 3.1. I took 31.
Okay, no. Next one, Rishikesh. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
A stiletto heel has a surface area of is 2.5 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Okay, if the lady puts of or 60 kg weight, 60 kg weight on it, 60 kg weight, 60 kg weight on it, what is the pressure?
The pressure is equals to force or mass by area.
Force is equal to
Force is equals to 60 into
mg, 60 into 10.
60 into 10 by
Area
is 2.5 centimeters into 2 centimeters.
but centimeters to meters by 100.
By 100 by 100.
By 100. Centimeters to meters by 100. If you remove this point, one more zero. So approximately 25 fours are
25
2
4
twos
2
are
2s are
6 twos are 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1200 kilopascals. Next, Labra.
Yes, sir.
The question is acceleration due to gravity is 10. They are asking you to take. Okay, and the surface area of the fish pressed by the water above it is 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Surface area of the fish is okay. Determine the force of water above fish that acts on the fish. That acts on the fish.
Yes.
What is that? He's asking. Determine the force. Determine the force on which where it is acting. So how to do that? Pressure is equal to.
Pressure is equals to force by
Force is equal
area.
to.
For
Pressure into
area
area.
is equals to pressure into area.
Pressure formula
Force
is
HdG
into A.
into
Yeah.
area.
Tell me how to do. H is how much?
H is 10.
H is
H is 6 centimeters square.
no. H is how much again? 6 centimeters. Divide the fish pressed.
Sir, you gave area, sir. You knew height, sir.
Sir, you didn't give it, sir.
I didn't give height, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you didn't give.
Oh my goodness. There is no height, na. Question is there. Mistake in the question. Some 10 meters you take and 10 meters.
Yes, sir.
Density of water is
10
1000.
1000
Gravity
into
is
10
area is
by 6.
6. So how much? 1, 2, 3. 600 kilopascals approximately. Okay, approximately. Next, Meghna.
Yes, sir.
So convert 1 mm of Hg into Pascal. How do you convert 1 mm of Hg into Pascals? How to convert? No, how to convert one? Okay, so here I told take the density of mercury also I have given. No? So what is the formula? P is equal to.
P is equal to HDG.
If I say 1 mm of mercury means how much you will take here? 1 mm.
1 mm.
What is the density?
Density
Density is how much of mercury? 13.6
13.6
into
into
103. And acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. How to convert mm to mm to meters, Nana?
meters by 1000.
5,000. If you solve all things, children, if you solve all these things, how much you will get? 133.28 pascals. Okay, children. If they ask you to convert 1 mm to HDG like this, density of mercury is 13.6 into 103 standard. This is density of mercury. Acceleration due to gravity also standard 1 m. If they ask 1 centimeter also, put 1 centimeter into 13.6 into 103 into 9.8. You get same this much of digital, but points will change because centimeters to meters is by 100 only. Like that. So P is equal to HDG. Next, Nandika. At sea level, the atmospheric pressure is. Okay, Nandika is not there. Vedant.
There's disturbance around my place.
Okay, Nana, I am also getting disturbance. You wait, Nana, for some time. Vedant, you tell. At sea level, the atmospheric pressure is 1.04
1.04
into 105 pascals.
pascals.
Take G is equal to 10 and density of air is uniform. Density of air is 1.3 kg per meter cube. Okay. Find the height of the atmosphere.
Pressure is equal to HDG.
P is equal to HdG. Okay.
P is equal to H into
H is equal to P by
H is
dG.
equal to P by DG.
Okay. 1.04 into
1.04 into 105
by.
divided by 1.3 into 10.
Okay. So approximately how much is the answer? Nana? Height of the atmosphere is 800 meters. 800 meters of the atmosphere. Okay, 800 meters of the
800
atmosphere is exerting how much pressure on us? 800 meters of atmosphere is exerting
1.04 into 105 pascals.
1.04 into 105 pascals.
So
800
is it
meters
105 pascal or 10 to the power 5 pascals?
that you are saying. I think 10 to the power of 5 Nana it is. Yes,
That's
Nana.
what.
Yes,
That's
yes,
it.
yes, yes. Sorry. This is 10 to the power of 5.
Because it wouldn't make any sense.
Yeah,
Just
very good, very good. 10 to the power of 5. Yeah, thank you for your clarification. So this is how we will do some numerical study on the fluid pressure. And I told you fluid pressure. What are the factors on which fluid pressure depends? Sujit, can you tell? Sujit is there. What are the factors on which fluid pressure depends? Sujit,
Height of the water column.
height of the water column
Height of liquid.
Pressure is exerted on the walls of the
and
container.
depth and pressure. Yeah, tell now. Tell Sujit. Let Sujit tell. Sujit, you tell.
Sir, pressure depends on high column. Pressure exerts water container. Pressure increases depth. Pressure depends at a given depth.
Okay, and sides and pressure is same at all points on given depth. Pressure is same at all points on a given depth, and also pressure depends upon density, children. Pressure also depends upon density. Pressure also depends upon density. So this is how we have to numericals based on fluid pressure, children. Because you people are only in 8th class, more than this, they won't ask you questions, children. More than this, no sir, we want more than this means I will give you IIT sums, children. That's all. Okay, more than this in 8th class level, they will not ask you, children. Thank you so much. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me.